We're gonna do with the basics first. First things first, we're gonna set up MT5. If you don't have it already, this is how you download it. Okay, you're gonna need to download it from your broker, depending on whatever broker that you use. Okay, so go to your web browser, any web browser that you're using, type in your broker MT5 for PC. Okay, so for Deriv, let's assume you're downloading it for Deriv. This is the first website you're gonna see. You just click on it, click on download now. Okay, so you have your options. You have for your Windows, you have for the phone and the phone as well. Then you have your Mac OS or Apple Store. Apple Store if you're using the phone, but if not, then you get the other version, right? So we're gonna get the Windows, since this is a Windows PC. Okay, let's get the Windows. So you just click here, Windows. But once you do that, it will start downloading. Okay, as you can see, it's just a 4.8 MB file. Okay, once it's done downloading, it's gonna take you to the actual file where it downloads. So we're just waiting for it to finish. Once the file is downloaded, you have to run it. Okay, you go direct to where it is downloaded on your PC, to your downloads, of course. In your downloaded folder, it will come like this. So all you have to do is click on it so that you can install it, right? I'm pretty sure you know the basics of how to install an app. If not, just follow along. You're gonna have this, okay? Your computer is gonna ask you to operate, then this will come up. Then click next, then it will download. So this is now it downloading. Once it's done downloading, this thing goes all the way to the end. You'll see in a few minutes. Okay, just have to be patient with it. It will open this page. Just close it, it's unnecessary. Just close it. That means it's almost done installing. But other than that, you've seen it here, MT5 trading terminal. I already have this other MT5, but I wanted to show you guys how to download this and set it up. So if it doesn't open on its own, you can definitely just click on it and open it. It will automatically come to your desktop. If it doesn't, you know where to look for other apps. We're not about to go into that. If you don't know, Google. This is specifically a course for the trading robot. The important things that you need to know, what you need to do on a day-to-day basis for you to be profitable with the trading robot. Anything besides that, no, I'm not teaching you. So you better pay attention to this information because it is very important. So once you download MT5, this is what you're gonna see. Don't be alarmed, don't be scared. It just requires you to log in into your account. You can either log in into your Deriv real account or your demo account, depending on whatever it is that you have. If you have the details for your real account, you can log in. But if you're using a different, the goodness with downloading MT5 from your broker direct, it brings this already. But if we were using a different broker on this account, let's say I want to log into my Xness account, all I have to type in is Xness here, okay, and click find your company. It will scan, okay, and there's this. So you have to make sure you're using the right broker. So Xness is this one. You click on it, then it will take you to log into your account. Okay, so since this is a Deriv thing, we can do just next. You choose Deriv and we do next. Okay, it's gonna ask you either to create an account, or if we already have an account. So let's close that for now. These 4 boxes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel them. Cancel this, cancel that, cancel that, cancel that, and cancel that as well. Okay, this will be empty. So the most important thing first, okay, you have to go here where it's written file, all right, log into trade account. Okay, it's going to bring this. If it's a different account and you don't have the details yet, you say open a trade account. Then it's going to bring you back here where you search for your broker. You can search for your broker here and choose it. So since we're using Deriv still, we click next. So you have an option to open an account, virtual money, or open a real account, or connect with an existing account. If you have an existing account, you do your login here. So let me get the details, then I log in. All you have to do is click on File, open an account. Okay, we're going to choose Xness. Next. I hope Deriv won't be pissed. Yeah, so connect to an existing account. So the login number, I'm going to log into a demo account, okay, for starters first. Login number is 43500 1335. Okay. The password, I'm sure you created a password that you are supposed to remember. Then the server number, you have to ensure it is the correct. So this one is trial 9. Click on this, we look for trial 9, right? Because if you mess up this, if you don't enter the correct thing, it will not log in, then finish. Once you enter all those details, ensuring that the details are correct, you do finish. You do its thing. Once you hear that sound, that means your account is successful. Okay, it will even stop saying netting here. You see, demo account, all the information has come through. This is a demo account. When you click on trade here, the balance will show. Okay, so second thing that you do from here, this is what we call the market watch. Some of you it might be here, some of you it might be there, some of you it might be on details. Always go on symbols. You have to check out the symbols. This, all you do is go right click on your mouse, okay, on this part. You see the market watch where the mouse is. Right click on your mouse, then hide all, because we want to have our own symbols that we've put. We don't want random things there. Then you right click on your mouse again. So right click, you go where it's written symbols, standards. You can do your crypto, forex, depending on what you trade. I trade commodities. Okay, so it should fall under yeah, it falls under forex. So it falls under forex. I'm only interested in gold. I have to click here up until this changes to gold. You see, when I click it, it goes there. It has shown up there. Let's add GBP USD as well. You just have to look for it. GBP JPY is a good pair. The GBP USD here, you double click it and it is showing up. Once you are done that, you close. Then the next step is just drag this onto here. Okay, I don't know why that part is still showing. You see, this is a gold chart. You zoom it in, right click on your mouse again, go to properties. We want to change the color. Let's just do color on white. Okay, yeah, for now this is that. Right click again. I hate doing grid. This volumes down there, I don't like them. Yeah, what else? That's basically it. Then that we push it there. Okay, so this is complete. Now you have all this. Your navigator is there showing, your market watch is there showing, your toolbar is here showing. These are the most important things you will have. Don't try to confuse this to something else. It is what it is, because once we set up the robot, okay, Okay, when we coming to set up the robot here, this whole thing is gonna be needed. Okay, so that is all about setting up MT5. And the next video that we're gonna do is setting up the trading robot.